Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be making an explosion journal spot. So, I have a piece of paper here. It's already 8 inches, but I need it to be 8 by 8. So, let's cut some of the paper off. Okay? So we need it to be 8 by 8. Alright, and then we need our scoreboard. My scoreboard fell apart. Only thing I hate about this scoreboard is that it's also a trimmer, but I like that the measurements go this way instead of this way like normal scoreboards do. Every time I think about it, I want to ask my niece, because my niece is left-handed, to score with this and see if it works easier for her to score with, being left-handed, than having it turned the other way. Every time, but I always forget whenever she's here. So, we're going to need a piece of paper. I'm going to turn it this side so you can see it a little bit better, and we're going to score at 4 inches. Okay, 4 inches, and we're going to turn, and we're going to score at 4 inches. Okay, so we have 4 by 4 squares. All right. Then you're going to need you can either use an X-Acto knife or a trimmer. My rotary trimmer is not easy enough for me to do. So I'm going to use this trimmer, and I'm going to take a pencil and show you. We are cutting up this score line right here. So this score line, and we're going to end at the middle. See? We're only going to do 4 inches up. So we're going to line this up. And I'm going to stop right here. So it's like right there. I can't see it. Let's just make a mark there so I can actually see where I'm stopping. I'm not gonna lie, these old eyes could not see it. So we're gonna line it up and stop. So now we got a little flippy flappy. Okay, that's a technical term, flippy flappy. All right, so now let us burnish our scores. We need to burnish our scores, and then we're going to do this side. So I'm going to preface this by saying I am getting surgery, so I'm pre-filming. I'm getting surgery next week. It is currently March 29th, and I'm getting surgery the first week of April. So I'm pre-filming everything so I have videos. So if things seem a little rushed, next week, I mean, Sunday's Easter. I haven't prepped anything for Easter yet. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't prepped anything for Easter yet. So, yeah, next week is Easter. I need ribbon or something that matches. So Sunday is Easter, and I haven't prepped anything yet. And do I have more of that? I am in desperate need of ribbon. I'm not gonna lie to you. Desperate need of some ribbon. I'm running, okay, here, I have some black. I am running out, and I will only buy ribbon. I've said this in so many videos now because I've been using so much ribbon. I will only buy ribbon if it's on clearance. Anyway, next week, I want to get everything done this week, because next week I want to meal prep because I'm getting surgery, and I'm the one who cooks. So I want to make like freezer bag meals that you can just drop in the crock pot in the morning. So if I'm a little rushed, that would be why. Okay, so we're going to take this one here on the left side. We're going to fold it up. We're going to fold it over. Let's do our scores as we're doing this, and we're going to fold it down. It's as easy as that. Okay, easy as that. And then that's all of that. I would take this ribbon and glue it to the back. My nose is itchy, so we're going to take ribbon and we'll use Fabri-Tac. So we're going to use our Fabri-Tac, try to find the middle as best as we can, and lay this down. Okay, that way, when you glue it to your page, you can tie a bow, tie it closed. Alright, and then we're going to cut some journal spots. I have, well, this paper, excuse me while I bend over. This paper, yeah, this'll do. So flip up. So now let's cut some journal spots. You would also be like a picture here, and then a picture here, and then journaling spots. You could do that. So let's cut. These are 4x4. Let's cut them. Let's cut them 3x3. 3, 3, 3, and this is not 3. That's okay. Do 3x3. So I'm gonna have these 2 journaling spots. Put this aside, and then, like I said, I would put photos. Can you hear my dog barking? He's so mad that I'm down here. He's so mad. Like, wait till he has the rude awakening that I'm not going to be at his beck and call. It's a dachshund. He's a dachshund, and if you've had a dachshund or know a dachshund, you know that they are needy little buggers. And yeah, like, he's not going to be able to lay on me. Though I did buy myself, oh, I'm getting ankle surgery. In case you're just popping in, I'm getting ankle reconstruction surgery, and he's not gonna be able to lay on me. So yeah, I would put photos here, and then journal on here, and there you go. Now let's see how, this is my upcoming April journal, so let's see how it would look in the April journal. Like, look, so cute. Just glue it in, and then tie it closed, and you have that little spot. All right, let's glue it into, well, let's not, hold on, let me take a thumbnail first before I glue it in. But I'm going to glue it in, but I need to take a thumbnail first. Actually, we're going to make a second one, because I think I need a second one for the thumbnail. And we're only at like 5 minutes. This took absolutely no time. So we're going to cut this down to 8. This paper I literally had on my floor. I'm not even going to lie. It was on my floor from another project. So there you go. There's that. Okay. Yep. On the floor from another project. So we're going to score at 4 and 4. Okay. And then since I have this out, I'm just going to use this. I'm just going to use this. Though I have to say, this blade, yeah, this blade needs to be replaced so bad. It's why I don't use this one. I got tired of buying replacement blades. Like, when you're a paper crafter, you use a lot of freaking blades. A lot. Like, I'm not, like, that ate up my paper. I'm just going to trim this off because it ate my paper up. You use a lot of blades, and I got really tired of replacing my blades. Because, like, it adds up. It really does. It adds up. So, I went to a rotary trimmer, and, oh man, is it so much nicer. I like mine, but you can't do, like, I have not figured out how to do, like, I'm gonna go this way. I have not figured out how to do precise cuts yet with my rotary trimmer, so I try to pull out my other one. So there we go. There we go. We have this, and let's cut. I literally had paper. I'm telling you, I'm going to use this, because once again, it was there, and I'm going to use my trimmer. This trimmer here, it's a rotary one. It's We Are Makers, and oh, it's lovely. I love it. We're going to do a 3.5 by 3.5 on our spots for this one. Okay, and this one I'm going to just do 3 spots. Why not? Yep, I love this trimmer. It's just I find it hard to do precise cuts with it. There is, and I've never set it up. Right here, I have to put batteries in it. It's a light bar. It's a light bar that connects to the edge of your trimmer so you can see where you're cutting. It needs batteries. Now ask me if I have batteries, because, I mean, who has batteries these days? Everything I have is rechargeable. That sounds so bad, doesn't it? So let's add these little spots in, and then I can take my thumbnail and I can glue it in. So we're just going to do this right here. This is really cute birthday paper, and I like the black on the one side. It's so nice that it's black on the one side. So I'm just going to add 3 this time. You can still add a photo. You can add multiple photos. You can add 3 photos. Like, I don't care how many photos. Like, you can add all 4 photos, but I'm adding more photo spots. All right. Now I'm going to take my thumbnail, and then we will glue it in. All right. Let me take it. Okay. I took my thumbnail. So let's glue this in. This also needs, I have pink here, and this might be the last of my pink. Almost. My dog was not barking until my dad left. So let's cut. Yeah, and this, like, I've had this ribbon for so long, and now I'm out of ribbon. Here is my idea book. This is my idea journal. It's exactly what you think it is. When I have an idea for a project, I do it on camera, and then I glue it in. So we're just going to glue this one in here. Just make sure that we have it the right way. It goes this way. So let's glue. I'm just going to use double-sided tape for this one because I'm gluing it in, and I just want the ribbon to stay put when I'm gluing. So we're just going to use double-sided tape, which is what I would have used for this one, but I'm not going to glue that one in. I'm going to glue this one in. Does that make sense? I don't know. I'm on like 4th video for the day. I'm on my 4th video. I don't know if whatever I'm saying is making sense. So let's glue this in. Sorry for the reach. I don't know why I put my glue away. Okay, we're gonna, like, it's not picking up because I was trying to pick up too much. All right, so this gets put in like this. All right, like this, like so, and then you open it. And there we go. All right. Wasn't that fun? Was it fun for you? It was fun for me. I need to keep an eye on the time. I'm leaving. I gotta keep an eye on the time. Okay. Thanks so much for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. This was such an easy project. I mean, I did 2, and I don't know how much time it's been because I had to stop recording to film to take a thumbnail. But it hasn't been that long. So there you go. And I made 2 in a very short amount of time. It's a quick, easy project, and it makes a statement in your journal. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this project. Please like, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a great rest of your day.